Hello all. Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss Pondicherry University MSc Computer Science PG Entrance Exam Previous Question Paper 2016. So here we have 100 questions. Let's discuss these questions. First one, project scheduling is an example of option A is right, dynamic programming. Project scheduling is an example of dynamic programming. Second question, what is the first address of a block of classes? Classless address if one of the address is 12.2.2.76/27. The right answer is option C, 12.2.2.64. Here the question says /27 is the range. So /24. So the first three bytes of octets, first three octets are completely used for network, because if we are using only first octet, then this would be /80/8. If we are using two octets, then here /16. If we are using three octets, first three octets, then we say /24, but here /27. So first three octets are completely used for representing the network, and the remaining three bits of data, 3 bytes from the last octet, are also used for the network. So there will be 2⁵ elements in each subnet, because we have remaining 5 octets for representing the host. So there will be 2⁵ elements in each subnet. So the network will be like this: 12.2.2.0, and these 3 bytes are used for representing the subnets usually. So the first we can make 12.2.2.0 the first set, and the other subnet range will be 12.2.2.32, 0 to 32, and 12.2.2.32 to 12.2.2.64, and 12.2.2.64 to 12.2.2.96. So our address 12.2.2.76 is included in this range 64 to 96. So the first IP address for this range is 12.2.2.64. So the answer is 12.2.2.64. So option C. How we can classify this in this type is, we can only make 32 hosts in a particular network address. So 0 to 32 first set, 32 to 64 second set, 64 to 96 the third set. So our IP range is included in the third set, 64 to 96. So the first address is 64. This is the answer. So third question. In a 2-pass assembler, the pseudocode EQU is to be evaluated during pass 1 is the right answer. A 2-pass assembler takes a first pass through the assembly program to construct a symbol table that contains a list of all labels and their associated location counter values. In It then takes a second pass to translate the assembly program into object code. So option A is correct. Then fourth question. In case of entity integrity, the primary key may be not null. Option C is right. In case of entity integrity, the primary key may be not null. Question 5. The SRS document is also known as dash specification, black box specification. Option A is correct. The SRS document is also known as black box specification. Question 7. The statement I star equal to 3 is equal to 2. I into equal to 3 equal to 2. I is equal to I into 3 or I is equal to I star 3. Option D is right. Question number 8. The database schema is written in DDL, data definition language. The database schema is written in the data definition language. And it's very important, the normalization theory. Normalization theory is minimizing redundancy from a relation or set of relations. First normal form, it contains atomic values. Third normal form, the table should be second normal form and no attribute is transitively dependent on the primary key. Second normal form, no attribute is transitively dependent on the primary key. Boise code normal form, it should be in third normal form, and for any functional dependency, a functional dependent on B, A should be a super key. And fourth normal form, it should be in BCNF, and the table should not have any multi-value dependency. The table should not have any multi-value dependency. Fifth normal form, R should be in 4NF. It cannot be further non-loss decomposed. So this fifth first normal form to fifth normal form, all normal forms and its definition are very important. It's very good to refer YouTube, a good video in YouTube, so it would be very simple. So ninth question, dash is the science and engineering for making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Artificial intelligence. Option A is correct. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer programs. Question number 10. In a two-pass assembler, the object code generation is done during second pass. In a two-pass assembler, the object code generation is done during second pass. 11th question. If the ACK value is 200, then byte dash has been received successfully. Option B, 199. If the ACK value is, ACK means acknowledgement, value is 200, then byte 199 has been received successfully. Option B is right. Question number 12. Which of the following provides lower access time and high speed data transfer? I have no answer for that question. Next question. 24,345 and 33,334 are divided by a certain three-digit number and the remainder in both the cases is same. What is that divisor and remainder? Option B is right, 101 and 4. Option B is right. Okay, next question, 14. A sort which iteratively passes through a list to exchange the first element with any element less than it and then repeats with a new first element is called selection sort. What is selection sort? in case of selection sort, it first select the first element and compare the first element with the second element, with the third element, and with the fourth element, and the first element is compared with the last element up to the last element, which is the element is smaller, the first element compared to second element, that the first element is smaller or the second element is smaller. If the second element is smaller, then the first element and the second element would be swapped, and again the first element check with the third element, fourth element, fifth element, which is smaller. If the first element is greater than the element we are checking, if the fifth element we are checking first element with the fifth element, if we find the fifth element is less than the first element, then we swap the fifth with the first element. And the swapping, if the selection is goes up to the end point, and after one iteration is, if we are the first element is compared with the all other elements, it would be one iteration. One after completing one iteration successfully, the all elements sorry, the first element would be the smallest element in that series. For an example, if the elements we are going to sort is 2, 3, 4, 8, 1. The first element would be selected and it is compared with all other elements. 2 is compared to 3. The 2 is smaller, so no change. 2 is compared to 4. 2 is smaller, so no change. 2 is compared to 8, no change. 2 is smaller. 2 is compared to 1. So 1 is smaller, so we swap the value 1 with 2. So 2 would be here and 1 would be here. And the first iteration is completed because we are compared the first element with the other elements. So first iteration is completed. So the selection on the first element is removed and we select the second element, 3. 3 is compared to 4, 3 is smaller, no change. 3 is compared to 8, 3 is smaller, no change. 3 is compared to 2, 2 is smaller. So we swap the elements. Here 3 would be here and 2 would be here. So second iteration is completed. So move on to third iteration. The 4 would be selected. 4 compared to 3, 8. 4 is smaller, no change. 4 is compared to 3. So 3 is smaller. So swap the values. And third iteration is completed. So we remove the third element and select the fourth element, that is 8. 8 is compared to 4, so 4 is smaller, so swap the values. 8 would be here, 4 would be here, and now our elements are sorted. This is selection sort. So a sort which iteratively passes through a list to exchange the first element with any element less than it, and then repeats with a new first element is called. So the first element is checked with all other elements, and after first iteration repeat with another first element. The second element would be the first element. Okay, so it's selection sort. The option C is correct, selection sort. So move on to next question. 16. The cost of network is usually determined by switching complexity. Option C is correct. Switching complexity. 17. 8085 microprocessor carry out the subtraction by 2's complement method. the 8085 microprocessor carry out the subtraction by 2's complement method. Next, the content of a 4-bit register is initially 1101. The register is shifted 2 times to the right with the serial input being 101101. What is the content of the register after each shift? Option A is correct. 1110, 0111. Option A is correct. Next question, 19. Which of the following is a mobile operating system? Android. Option A is correct. Android. Next question. Question number 20. Which flag of the 8085 85's flag register is not accessible to the programmer directly? Option B is correct. Auxiliary carry flag. Which flag of 8085's flag register is not accessible to the programmer directly? Option B, auxiliary carry flag. Next question. DOM refers to document object model. DOM refers to document object model. Option A is correct. Question number 23rd. A program for a programming language is a formal description of structure. A grammar for programming language. A grammar for a programming language is a formal description of structure. Option A. Question number 24. Sorry. 15 men and 80 women together finish a work in 6 days. One man alone finished that work in 150 days. One woman will finish the same work in. Option A is correct. 270 days. So, in the first element, if work done per day for men is X and for women is Y, then work done by 15 men and 80 women per day is 15X plus 18Y is equal to 1 by 6 is the work done per one day. One man alone finished the work in 150 days. So, one man alone finished the work in 150 days. So one man will work one day, 1 by 50 of work. So X is equal to 1 by 150. So 15. Put this equation in the above equation. 15 into 1 by 50 plus 18y is equal to 1 by 6. So here by solving the equation, we will get y is equal to 1 by 270 is work done by one woman one day. So one woman alone can do the work in 270 days. Hence the proof. So option A, 270 days is correct option. Question number 25. Which of the following sorting algorithm is of divide and conquer type? Which of the following sorting algorithm is of divide and conquer type? Option B is right, quicksort. Merge sort and quicksort are both divide and conquer type. Okay, so option B is correct, quicksort. Next question. Next question. Which is the output of following code? Main int I is equal to 10, j is equal to 20. If I is equal to j, printf %d I comma j. Here, the if condition is if I is equal to j. If I is equal to j, I is equal to 10, j is equal to 20. So I not equal to j. But here, after the if loop, there is a semicolon. So if loop is closed here. And the printf statement is not the part of this if loop. So printf is also like a statement. Printf statement ij. So printf just print I, so 10, j, so it's 20. So the output would be 10 and 20. If loop has no reaction here. So option B is right. Which one of the following is not an umbrella activity that complements the five process framework activities and help team manage and control progress, quality, change, and risk? The option B is correct. User reviews. User review is an umbrella activity that complements the five process framework activities and help team manage and control progress, quality, change, and risk. Option B is correct. Next question. Question number 29. The main function is always a calling function. The main function is always a calling function. Option D is correct. Question number 30. In open loop congestion control techniques, the decisions are based on the option A is correct without regard to the current state of network. In open loop congestion control techniques, the decisions are based on without regard to the current state of the network. Option A. Question number 31. Which of the following is related to optical fiber? Option C, total internal reflection. Total internal reflection is related to optical fiber. The optical fiber is working in the based on total internal reflection. Option C is correct. Question number 32. Binary search algorithm cannot be applied to sorted linked list. Binary search algorithm cannot be applied to sorted linked list. Option D is correct. Cycle stealing technique is used in DMA-based data transfer. Cycle stealing technique is used in DMA-based data transfer. Option A is correct. Question number 35. The method for updating the main memory as soon as a word is removed from the cache is called write back. The method for updating the main memory as soon as a word is removed from the cache is called write back. Option D is correct. Question number 36. A control character is set at the beginning as well as the end of each block in the synchronous transmission in order to supply information needed to separate the incoming bits into individual characters. Option C is correct. A control character is set at the beginning as well as at the end of each block in synchronous transmission in order to supply information needed to separate the incoming bits into individual character. Option C is correct. Question number 37. The traditional way to create an infinite loop in CPP, C++ is option C is correct, 4 and 2 semicolons inside the brackets. Option C is correct. The traditional way to create an infinite loop in CPP or C++ is option C. Question number 38. Which of these are code optimizing transformation? Which of these are code optimizing transformation? Option A is correct. Dead code elimination. Dead code elimination. Next question. Question number 40. When an element has to be deleted from the queue, option B is correct. It is deleted from the position where the front pointer points to, and then the front pointer is advanced by one position. When an element has to be deleted from the queue, it is deleted from the position where the front pointer points to, and then the front pointer is advanced by one position. Option B is correct. Next question. If one-third of 1/4 of a number is 15, then 3/10 of that number is option D is correct. 1/4 1/3 of 1/4 of number. So let's take x is our number. X into 1/3 into 1/4 is equal to 15. Then x would be 180. 180. So the 15, then 3/10 of that number, 3/10 of that number, x into 3/10 is 180 into 3/10 is equal to 54. Option D is correct. Next question, 42. The customized Linux version launched by CDAC is called BOSS. The customized Linux version launched by CDAC is called BOSS. Question number 43. Consider the join of a relation R with a relation S. If R has m tuples and S has n tuples, then the maximum size of join is mn. Option C is correct. Consider the join of a relation R with relation S. If R has m tuples and S has n tuples, then the maximum size of join is m into n. Option C is correct. Question number 44. ATM multiplexes sells using asynchronous TDM. Option B is correct. ATM multiplexes sells using asynchronous TDM. Question number 45. Which of the following is a project scheduling method that can be applied to software development? Option D is correct. PERT and CPM. Which of the following is a project scheduling method that can be applied to software development? Option D is correct. PERT and CPM. Question number 46. The instruction ORGO is a pseudo instruction. Pseudo instruction. Option A is correct. The instruction ORGO is a pseudo instruction. Next question. Question number 47. Void for Indian int temp is equal to 0. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n and temp less than n, I plus plus. For int j is equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus, temp plus plus. That choose the correct statement. Hint, first figure out what the function does, then analyze its complexity. The asymptotic complexity of foo is of n square. Option A is correct. The asymptotic complexity of foo is O of n square. Next question. Question number 48. Resolution of externally defined symbol is performed by option D, linger. Resolution of externally defined symbol is performed by linger. Option D is correct option. Then question number 51. That will be the value of what will be the value of x and y after execution of following statement in C. N is equal to 5, x is equal to n plus plus, y is equal to minus x. So here n is equal to 5, x is equal to n plus plus. So n plus plus is an increment operator. But here first the value of n would be served to x, and the next step the n would be incremented. So x equal to n plus plus, x first serve the value of x, first serve the value of n, that is 5. So x and y, x have the value of n, that is 5, and y is equal to minus x. So the increment or decrement operator is in the front, so the value first decrement, so minus x, so minus x would be 4, and then serve it to y. So y has 4 and x has the value of 5. So if we are putting the increment or decrement operator before the value, then it would be first decrement or increment the value, and then it would be assigned to the variable. But here the increment or decrement operator is after the value, so first add the value to the variable and then the decrement or increment operation is held. So option B is correct, 5 and 4. There are certain. Question number 53. Consider the following declarations. Int A star B equal to percentage A. So the address of A is served to the value of B. Then star C is equal to C and B are two object address operators. So star C is equal to percentage B. So the address of B is stored to the value inside the C. The following fragment are A is equal to 4, star C is equal to 5. Then option C is correct, assigns 5 to A, assigns 5 to A. So here star B here, B is an address operator and star B is equal to percentage A. So the address of A is served inside the address operator of B. Then star C is equal to percentage B. So the address of B is served inside the C. C is an address operator, address variable, and inside the C the value would be another address, and that address is B. The following program fragment is, so the following program fragments are A is equal to 4 and star C is equal to 5. So option C is correct, assign 5 to A. The complexity of next question. What is the maximum window size in sliding window protocol used in computer network? Option D is correct, 15. What is the maximum window size in sliding window protocol used in computer network is 15. Next question number 56. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into sectors. Option B is correct. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into sectors. A shift register that accepts a parallel input or a bidirectional serial load is called option D, universal. A shift register that accepts a parallel input or a bidirectional serial load is called universal. Question number 58. Which of the following concepts means adding new components to a program as it runs? Option A is correct, dynamic loading. Dynamic loading is a concept means adding new components to a program as it runs. So option A is correct. Question number 59. Which command is used to sort the lines of data a file in reverse order? Option D is correct, sort minus R. Which command is used to sort the lines of data a file in reverse order, sort minus R? Option D is correct. Next question number 60. Sorry, I had no answer. Question number 61. Dot matrix is a type of printer. Dot matrix is a type of printer. We know there is two types of printer, dot matrix printer and laser printers. Question number 62. In which of the search algorithm the elements should be in sorted order? Binary search algorithm. In option B is correct. In which of the search algorithm the elements should be sorted order? Binary search algorithm. In binary search, we must need a sorted elements would be sorted. We must need the elements in sorted order. So in binary search algorithm, we first find the middle element and check the middle element is the is or search element or not, and if yes, the selection is complete, search is completed, the element is found, or the middle element is not the search element. We just check middle element is less than or greater than the search element. If less than the search element, then the end of the element would set it to middle, or which is the middle element is greater than the the middle element is less than the search element, then we will place the beginning to the middle element. So it's better to watch a video in YouTube for binary search. Question number 64. The step-by-step instruction that solves a problem are called an algorithm. A step-by-step instruction that solve a problem are called a algorithm. Option B is correct. Next question, 65. Nines complement of a decimal number 546 is 453. Nines complement of a decimal number 546 is 453. To get ones complement of a binary number, simply invert the given number. For example, ones complement of binary number 110010 is 001101. So let's change 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. And for getting 2's complement, to get 2's complement of a binary number is 1's complement of given number plus 1 to the least significant bit, LSB. For example, 2's complement of binary number 10010 is first invert the number 0 or 1's complement 01101 and plus 1 is equal to 01110. So adding 1 to 1 would be 0 with carry 1. So this would change to 0, and this 0 will become 1. So 01110 is answer. And let's move to nines complement. The nines complement of a number is calculated by subtracting each digit of the number by 9. For example, so nines complement, if we want to find the nines complement, subtract each digit from 9. For example, suppose we have a number 1423 and we want to find the nines complement of the number. For this, we subtract each digit of the number 1423 by 9. So the nines complement of the number is 1423 is 9999 minus 1423 is equal to 8576. And the last is tens complement. Tens complement of a decimal number can be found by adding 1 to the nines complement of that decimal number. It is just like 2's complement in binary number expression representation. For example, let us take a decimal number 456. Nines complement of this number will be 999 minus 456, which will be 543. Now tens complement will be 543 plus 1 is equal to 544. So in this manner, we can find the nines complement of the decimal number 546. So subtract 546 from 999. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So the option C is correct. Next question, question number 66. A binary tree has n leaf nodes. The maximum number of nodes of degree 2 in this tree is n minus 1. Option E is correct. A binary tree has n leaf nodes. The maximum number of nodes of degree 2 in this tree is n minus 1. An example of hierarchical data structure is tree. An example of hierarchical data structure is tree. Option D is correct. The others are not hierarchical, and tree is hierarchical data structure. Question number 68. The weak entity set does not have sufficient attributes to form. Option A is correct, a primary key. The weak entity set does not have sufficient attributes to form a primary key. Next question, question number 69. Process is a program in execution. Option A. Process is a program in execution. Option A is correct. Next question, question number 70. How long is IPv6 address? IPv6 address is 128 bits long. Option B is correct. 1828 bits. Next question, question number 71. Which of the following phase has the maximum effort distribution? Which of the following phase has maximum effort distribution? Option A. Testing is the right answer. Testing. Option A. Next question. Question number 75. A short-term scheduler executes at least a short-term scheduler executes at least every 20 minutes. If it takes 2 minutes to decide to execute a process for 2 minutes, what is the percentage of CPU time wasted? Option A is correct, 10%. 10% of CPU time is wasted. Option A is correct. Next question, 76. Which one of the following will declare an array and initialize it with 5 numbers? Option D is correct. Int square bracket and A is equal to parenthesis 23, 22, 21, 20, 19 is the right method for initializing an array. So option D is is the correct method for declaring an array and initialize it with 5 numbers. Option D is correct. Question number 77. The diagram that describes, no answer. Question number 78. 4 keys. Creation a new process. Creation of a new process is fork. Option C is correct. Next question. Question number 79. The average access time of a disk is. The average access time of disk is option D is correct. Rotational latency plus transfer time plus seek time. The average access time of a disk is rotational latency plus transfer time plus seek time. Option D is correct. Then question number 80. Which of the following special symbol allowed in a variable name? Option D is correct. Underscore. Which of the following special symbol allowed in a variable name? Underscore is allowed in the variable name. Option D is correct. Next question, question number 81. The symbols used in assembly language are mnemonics. The symbols used in assembly language are mnemonics. Option A is correct. Next question. Prior to the invention of time sharing, the prevalent method of computer access was option D is correct, batch processing. Prior to the invention of time sharing, the prevalent method of computer access was batch processing. Option D is correct. Then next question, question number 83. Regression testing is primarily related to testing is primarily related to functional testing. Option C is correct. Functional testing. Next question. Question number 84. Which model is most popular for students' small projects? Students' small projects. Waterfall model. Option D is correct. Waterfall model is popular for small projects and all requirements and all important information is known. We use waterfall model, and waterfall model is very important. It's better to watch a video in YouTube. Next question, question number 85. Which of the following computer language is used for artificial intelligence? Option D is correct. Prolog. Prolog is a computer language used for artificial intelligence. Option D is correct. The next question, question number 86. The output of lexical analyzer is set of tokens. Option A is correct. The output of lexical analyzer is set of tokens. So question number 86, output of lexical analyzer is set of tokens. Option A. So next question, question number 87. The use of smart card represents a form of authentication. Option D is correct. The use of smart card represents a form of authentication. We know the smart cards and other cards are used to authenticate which user are trying to access the access. So authentication, after authentication with smart card, we can also use for or thumbnail or face recognition or eye for authentication. And we also use smart cards for authentication in the ATM, like so credit cards or other cards that are smart cards. Smart cards are used to authentication, and after authentication, each user uh, have a particular authorization for using the resources. So smart card are used for authentication of the user. Next question, question number 88. Which protocol use distance vector routing? Which protocol use distance vector using routing? Option C is correct. BGP. BGP is Border Gateway Protocol. Full form of BGP is Border Gateway Protocol. So protocol used for distance vector routing is BGP. Next question, question number 89. The postfix form of expression A plus B star C star D minus F star F by G is option A is correct. AB plus CD star E minus star F star G division. So option A is correct. The postfix form of expression. So the conversion of infix, this is a infix form, this is a postfix form, and if the operators are is it in front of operands, it would be the prefix form. So infix to postfix conversion, infix to prefix conversion, both are important. Very repeated questions. So discuss how to convert them. Algorithm for infix to postfix conversion. Infix to postfix conversion. So here the infix conversion, infix form to postfix conversion. So scan the infix expression from left to right. Scan the infix expression from left to right left to right. So if the scanned character is an operand, output it. If the scanned character is an operand is A, B, C, D, they are operand, and plus division minus plus multiplication minus division, both are operators. Operators. So if we get an operand, output it to a, if in case of doing an example, we use a p something variable to output, and we also use a stack for putting the operators. So else if precedence of the scanned operator is greater than the precedence of operator in the stack, or the stack is empty, or the stack contains a close parenthesis or open parenthesis, push it to stack. So the all operators are pushed into stack. If the stack is empty, we just push the operator into stack. If the stack has some value, some other operators, then we just check the operator precedence. If the operator precedence we are going to push into stack is less than the precedence of the operators inside the stack, then we pop the higher precedence. We pop the higher precedence operators from the stack to the variable p. Okay, so higher precedence operators are always in the top of the stack, and lower precedence will be the bottom of the stack. If the stack contains many operators with high precedence and a lower precedence, high precedence is first, the highest precedence is goes to the operator with x raised to 2. So the raised to, that operator has the highest precedence. The next highest precedence is equals to multiplication and division, and the lower precedence is goes to plus and multiplication, addition and subtraction. Plus and subtraction is the lowest precedence. So the stack contains multiplication and division or raised to operator, and we are going to push a plus or subtraction operator plus or minus to the stack. It will pop the all other higher precedence operators inside the stack, because no lower precedence operator can be pushed to stack if there is a high precedence operator. So it is some difficult to learn by only hearing the audio. So it's better to watch a good YouTube video for learn in fixed to postfix conversion. So else pop all the operators from the stack which are greater than or equal to in precedence than that of scanned operator. So that's I said, if we scanned an operator and we are going to push that operator into the stack, if we find the if we find a higher precedence operator or the same precedence operator, we pop the all operators in the stack. That is, we put take the all operator with a higher or same precedence from the stack and put that into the variable p. So if we are scanned a multiplication, or we are going to push a multiplication operator into the stack, and the stack contains a raised to operator, that is x raised to if we are saying x raised to 2, the raised to operator, then we pop the raised to operator from the stack to the variable p, where we saved all our operands. Or pop means take the element from the stack and put to the variable. That is pop. Push means we take the operator and put into the stack. That operation is called push. So precedence that of the scanned operator. After doing that push the scanned operator to the stack, if you encounter parenthesis while popping, then stop the and push the scanned operator in the stack. If we found a closing parenthesis, if you encounter parenthesis while popping, then stop the and push the scanned operator in the stack. Push the scanned operator in the stack. And if the scanned character is a open parenthesis, push it to the stack. If the scanned character is an closing parenthesis, pop the stack. That means if in the way we found a open parenthesis, we usually push into the stack, and after that a plus and a minus and a subtraction are pushed into stack, and after we found the closing parenthesis, then what we will do? We will do the all operators in between that closing and open parenthesis. So the all operators up to the open parenthesis would be popped up and saved into the variable p. If the scanned character is a closing parenthesis, pop the stack and output it until a open parenthesis is encountered, and discard both the parentheses. Both the parentheses are put outside, but not add it to the p, variable p. Okay. Sixth step, repeat step 2 to 6 until infix expression is scanned. Repeat step 2 to 6 until infix expression is scanned. Print the output. So repeat the step 2 to 6 until the infix expression is fully uh, completed, and print the output. So the P would contain the output. It's a big process. It's can be include full process of infix to postfix expression. In this class, it's very lengthy, so it's good to watch a YouTube video. So print the output, pop the output from the stack until it's not empty. So pop the all operands remaining in the stack up to the stack is empty. Okay, so that's step by step. So conversion of infix to prefix notation. Next one is infix to prefix notation. Step 1, reverse the infix expression, that is a plus b star c will become c star b plus a. Just reverse the operation, reverse the infix expression. Note, while reversing each will become, the open parenthesis and closing parenthesis will become, and each open parenthesis becomes close parenthesis, and close parenthesis become open parenthesis. That's it. Step 2, obtain the nearly postfix expression of the modified expression, that is cb star a plus cb star a plus. So obtain the nearly postfix expression. Find the postfix expression by the above we discussed infix to postfix expression conversion. So by that steps, find the postfix expression. So step 3, reverse the postfix expression. Watch the video. Watch videos on YouTube is better. So reverse the postfix expression. So only simple methods. First, we will get the infix expression. So reverse the infix expression and find the postfix expression for the reversed infix expression and reverse that postfix expression. So we will get the prefix of infix. Is very simple. So here in this case, a plus b star c star d minus e star f by g. The postfix expression of this infix expression is AB plus CD star E minus star F star G division. Option A is correct. Okay, next question, question number 90. Which table is a permanent database that has an entry for each terminal symbol? Terminal table, option A is correct. Which table is a permanent database that has an entry for each terminal symbol is terminal table. Next question, question number 91. A clock is started at noon by 10 minutes past 5. 10 minutes past 5. What hour hand has turned through? So a clock is started at noon. So noon at 5, noon at 12, and by 5 minutes past, sorry, by 10 minutes past 5. So the time would be 5, 5 hour 10 minutes and has turned through. So the answer is the angle. The angle is the hour. The angle is the question. So 155 is the answer. So the method is a clock started at noon. It means it was 12 p.m. 10 minutes past 5 means the time on clock will be 5:10 p.m. Now we will convert 5 hour 10 minutes into a hour. So 5 hour 10 minutes, convert the 5 hour 10 minutes into hour means we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 10 minutes is equal to 1 by 6 hour. So 5 hour 10 minutes is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 31 by 6 hour. So in a clock, 5 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 31 by 6 hour. So in a clock, angle created by a hour hand in 12 hour is 360 angle. So because 12 in 12 hour, the hour hand will rotate in one cycle. So 360 angle. So in a clock, angle created by an hour hand in 1 hour is equal to 360 by 12 is equal to 30 degree. So 30 degree is the angle created by hour hand in 1 hour. In a clock, angle created by hour hand in 31 by 6 hour is 30 times 31 by 6. That is 31 by 6 into 30. 31 by 6 into 30. So it's equal to 155 degree. So hence the proof. So here option C is correct, 155. Next question, question number 92. Find the missing number in the sequence 15, 31, 63, 127, 255. So here we can see that 15 next time is 31. So the double of the first element 15 in 15 plus 50, 30 and plus 1. Double of the previous element and plus 1. So the next element is double of 31. So 31 plus 31, 62. 62 plus 1, 63. Then the fourth element is 127. So 63 plus 63 is 126. So plus 1, 127 is the answer. So here the want to find the last element. So 255 into 2. 255 into 2 is 500, 510. So plus 1, 511 is the right answer. So option D is correct option. So the missing term on 15, 31, 63, 127, 255. And the next element is 511. Next question, question number 93. Today is Tuesday. After 62 days, it will be. Answer C is correct, Monday. Each day of the week is repeated after 7 days. Because so the Monday is, if today is Monday, after 6 days, it also would be Monday. So after 63 days, it will be Tuesday. After 63 days, it would be Tuesday, because today is Tuesday. After 62 days, it will be, that is the question. So 63 is a multiple of 7. 9 into 6 is equal to, 9 into 7 is equal to 63. So 63 is a multiple of 7. So after 63 days, it would be Tuesday. So before Tuesday, it would be Monday. Before the Tuesday, it would be Monday. So after 62 days, what it would be? It would be a Monday. So after 62 days, it would be Monday. So option C is correct, Monday. Then question number 94. A man left 5,000 to his 3 sons, $5,000 to his sons. For every dollar Abraham received, Benjamin received $1.50. So if Abraham received $1, Benjamin receives $1.50, and Charles received $2.50. So how many money was left Benjamin? How many money has go to Benjamin is the question. So if Abraham received $1, Benjamin received $1.50, then Charles received $2.50. So here, money received by Abraham is A, money received by Benjamin is B, money received by Charles is C. So A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to 1.5 is to 2.5. So 1 plus 1.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 5. So if total money is X, total money is equal to X, then A is equal to X into 1 by 5. A is equal to X into 1. So the money get to A is X into 1 by 5. The money get to B is X into 1.5 by 5. The money go to C is equal to, money get to Abraham is A, that is X into 1 by 5. The money go to Benjamin, that is B, is equal to X into 1.5 by 5. The money go to Charles, that is C, is equal to X into 2.5 by 5. So here total money is 5,000. So money go to Benjamin, that is B, is equal to 5,000 into 1.5 by 5 is equal to 1,500 is the money go to Benjamin, and 1,000 is money get to Abraham, that is A is equal to 1,000, because we know 5,000 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1,000. So the money go to Charles is 5,000 into 2.5 by 5, that is
2,500. So here the answer is money go to Benjamin. So it's 1,500. Option D is correct. Next question, question number 95. What least value must be assigned to star so that 86 so that this star is divided by, so in this number the star is positioned here, then the question is what would be the value of this star so that this number is divided by 11. So the option 3 is 3. Option C B is correct. 3 3 is good to replace the star so that this number would be divisible by 11. And then the next question, question number 96. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 20 hours and 30 hours respectively. So pipe A can fill the tank in 20 hours. So what would pipe A can fill the tank in 20 hours. So pipe A fill the 1 by 20 of tank in 1 hour. From this we can say pipe A can fill the 1 by 20 of the tank in 1 hour and the pipe B can fill the 1 by 30 of the tank in 1 hour. Pipe B can fill the 1 by 30 of the tank in 1 hour respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, if we are going to open the two pipes A and B simultaneously at the same time, we are going to open pipe A and B. How much time will it take for tank to get full? How much time need to full the tank? So in 1 hour, pipe A can fill 1 by 20 of the tank. Pipe B can fill 1 by 30 of the tank. So if we are open the both pipes at the same time in 1 hour, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 of tank would be filled in 1 hour. Pipe A can fill, so pipe A can fill the tank in 20 hours. So pipe A can fill 1 by 20 of the tank in 1 hour. Pipe B can fill a tank in 30 hours. So pipe B can fill 1 by 30 of the tank in 1 hour. So if both pipes are open, then in 1 hour they can fill 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 of the tank. That is 1 by 12 of tank in 1 hour. So they both can fill the tank in 20 hours. That is the answer. So option C, 20 hour is the right answer. Next question, question number 97. There is a cube in which one pair of adjacent faces is painted red and second pair of adjacent faces is painted blue and a third pair of adjacent faces is painted green. This cube is now cut into 216 smaller but identical cubes. How many small cubes are with both red and green in their faces? It's very simple, but I have no picture to share with you. So just draw a simple picture and calculate the cubes. So how many small cubes are with both red and green on their faces? The option B is correct, 16. 16 cubes are there, both red and green on their faces. Next question, question number 98. The motorboat whose speed in 15 km per hour in still water, the speed of the motorboat is 15 km per hour and goes 30 km downstream and comes back in a total of 4 hours 30 minutes. The speed of the stream in kilometer per hour is. So the stream, if the stream is not moving, still water, the fast speed would be 15 km per hour. And but here the stream is moving and goes downstream in 30 kilometer, 30 kilometer, goes downstream 30 kilometer and come back opposite to the stream, also 30 kilometer is the length. So the total time taken is 4 hours 30 minutes. So let the speed of stream be x kilometer per hour and speed of downstream, speed on downstream. So we are moving with the stream, direction of stream. So 15 plus x kilometer per hour. The speed would be 15 plus x kilometer per hour. The 15 is the speed in still water. So the stream is not moving. 15 plus x. X is the speed of the stream. And speed of upstream. Speed of upstream. So here we are coming back opposite to the stream. So our speed would be the speed in still water, there is no stream movement, minus x, the speed of the stream. So distance traveled downstream is 30 kilometer. Distance traveled upstream is also 30 kilometer. Time uh, time of upstream is equal to speed of upstream by distance of upstream. So time of upstream is equal to 30 by 60 minus x. Time taken to up moving upstream is 13 by 50 minus x. Time taken to move through the downstream is distance of downstream by speed of downstream. Then time of downstream is equal to distance of downstream is 30 kilometer and the speed of downstream is 15 plus x, that is 15 is still water and the plus the speed of the stream. Total time taken is 4.5 hours. So 4.5 is equal to 30 by 50 minus x, that is the time taken to upstream, time taken to coming back, and 30 by 15 plus x, time taken to go to the destination, that is downstream. So here we will get x raised to 2 is equal to x square is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5. By solving this equation, we will get x is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Hence the proof. So the speed of the stream is 5. And the last question, next question, question number 99. 1 year ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. In 6 years time, his age exceeds twice the age of his son by 9 years. The ratio of their present ages. The question is, 1 year ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. In 6 years time, his age exceeds twice the age of his son by 9 years. The ratio of their present age is, the answer is, let the current age of the father is x, current age of son is y. 1 year ago, x minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 into 4. So 1 year ago, so x minus 1, before 1 year, y, so the age of son is y minus 1. It's 4 times, so 4 into y minus 1. Then x is equal to 4y minus 3 is the equation 1. After 6 years, so x plus 6 is equal to y plus 6. So the age of father would be x plus 6 and the age of son would be y plus 6 is twice. So 2 into y plus 6 plus 9 is the second equation. So x plus 6 is equal to 2y plus 12 plus 9. So x minus 2y is equal to 15 is the second equation. By solving equation 1 and 2, 4y 4y minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 15. So 2y is equal to 18, then y is equal to 9, x is equal to 33. So the ratio is 33 by 9 is equal to 11 by 3. That means 11 is to 3 is the ratio, hence the proof. The ratio of their present age is 11 is to 3. Option C is correct. Next question, question number 100. The last question is, there is a cube in which one pair of adjacent faces is painted red. The second pair of adjacent faces is painted blue. And the third pair of adjacent faces is painted green. This cube is now cut into two 16 smaller but identical cubes. Okay, in the last question, how many small cubes are there with at least two different colors on their faces? Here, the question is same as in the 97th question. A small change in the condition. Here, the all other required conditions are the same. How many small cubes are with both red and green on their faces? But here, the question is, how many small cubes are there with at least two different colors on their faces? So, the question, to find the answer, it's very simple. Just draw the structure, and after drawing the structure we will get the answer. It's very simple. So today in this class we discussed almost 100 questions of Pondicherry University MSc Computer Science PG entrance exam previous question paper 2016. So thank you for watching this video.